In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature in PandaDoc. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Home tab and you want to add a document. So you can either create one or, of course, upload it as well, okay? So I'm going to just click on plus document over here. And what I'm going to do here is just basically select a blank one over here like that. And I'm going to just create a document. Now, let's now pretend this is a document where I want to add a signature. So what you have to do first is, of course, add recipients. Over here, I'm going to add myself, and then you want to click on Edit Document. This is going to take you to step 2 over here, where to basically add a signature, you want to drag this signature field over. So just drag and drop it like that whenever you want to have it. Of course, you can resize it as well if you want to, and then you can simply click on it. And if you have created your signature earlier, it's going to be in here, or you could go ahead and just draw it in here with your mouse. You could go and type it if you want to, or upload a picture of your signature in here as well, okay? Now, whenever you do this, click on Accept and Sign, and there we go. I've successfully added the signature onto my document. Now you can then go and click on Finalize Document, top right, and then from there, of course, you'll be able to go ahead and send it to whoever you want, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.